Welcome to Jurisage Academy's YouTube channel. Finally, CLAT has announced the application starting date for the 2022 exam. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the notification that has been released and what are the things that you need to start doing for the exam that is scheduled to happen in May 2022. So firstly, let's take a look at the notification that has come out as of yet. So online applications are starting from 1st January 2022 and they will close on 31st March 2022. The date for the offline CLAT 22 admission test is Sunday 8th May 2022 between 3 to 5 p.m. This is obviously subject to further notification. So if there are any other changes because of the COVID guidelines in the country at the moment, the date may shift and even the mode of the test may change. Now let's take a look at the postgraduate program and the educational qualifications that are required for it. The educational qualifications remain the same. An LLB degree with a minimum of 50% of marks and 45% marks for certain categories has been prescribed. There's also a clarification that candidates who are appearing in their final year exams in April or May 2022 are also eligible to apply. One important thing that you must have noticed in this whole thing is that the LLM degree program is set for 1 year only. There was a lot of confusion among candidates because of the notifications released earlier by BCI, extending the duration of 1 year LLMs to 2 year LLM. So now this sets rest to that controversy that for this year also, for the exam that is scheduled for 8th May 2022, the 1 year LLM program is continuing and that is going to at least be there for this time. So we don't know whether the 1 year LLM degree will continue for the other attempts or not, but for this year, for this attempt of 2022, 1 year degree continues. So if you're somebody who has been confused about it, so this is the best time to complete your LLM because nobody knows in the future whether this would be changed to 2 year degree or not. Now we have another important announcement that since CLAT is scheduled to happen in May 2022 if all goes well, the crash course is launching from January 3, 2022. The details can be seen on your screen. We'll be providing you 360 plus hours of live classes, 1400 pages of hard copy material, 120 plus mock test, analysis of recent cases from 2017 to 2021 and subjective answer guide. The enrollment has already started, so if you are interested in the course, you may check it out from the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions with respect to LLM preparation, please drop in the comment section.